Okay. Question 5 is a 4-mark question. Relatively straightforward. You're asked to look at both texts and talk about why Americans should change their attitude to leftover food. The key point here is you must name which text you're talking about at any point. Don't just leave it for the examiner to work it out. That's massively important. So you might say something like this, that John Humphreys says that portion sizes are so large in America that they're actually big enough to serve a whole family and still have enough left over for a meal. And that's just for one person. That's one reason. He also says that most people actually give up and that the food is thrown out. There's your second reason. Lydia Childs says you should save the leftover food, okay, because it can be used to make a little bit of supper or breakfast. She also says don't buy too much of anything. Actually stick to a shopping list and then you'll have just enough. You won't waste things and run out of money. And it's simple as that. Those 4 points. So long as you have talked about both texts, okay, so long as you've named which text you're talking about, you can have 2 points from one text, 2 from another, 1 from one, 3 from another, 3 from one, 1 from another. That's okay. So long as you've got something about both texts, 4 points in total, and you always make it clear which text you're talking about. Okay.